Hello everyone, this is a video on study of green buildings through action research. The major objective of this video is to highlight the importance of green buildings in energy conservation and spread awareness among students. Now, the question arises as to what is action research. Action research is focused on spreading awareness among students and helps in sustaining natural resources by construction of green buildings. What exactly is a green building? A green building is one which uses less water, optimizes energy efficiency, conserves natural resources, generates less water, less waste, and provides healthier space for occupants as compared to a conventional building. The major benefits of a green building are: it creates a green corporate image, it saves energy up to 40 to 50%, saves water up to 20 to 30%, and reduces carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. What are the environmental benefits of green building? Green building reduces carbon dioxide in the atmosphere up to 12,000 tons, saves energy up to 15,000 megawatts per million square feet, water saving goes up to 45,000 kiloliters, and construction waste gets diverted from landfills up to 450 tons. As we can see clearly from the graph, it shows the difference between the commercial building and a green building. The red line represents the average commercial building, whereas the green line represents the average green building. The green line clearly indicates that energy used, carbon dioxide used, water used, and the maintenance cost of a green building is way less than that of a conventional building. Now, the following aspects need to be kept in mind while designing the structure of a green building. Number 1, the ventilation system for proper cooling and heating, such as high quality insulation, south facing window, and air filtering plants need to be used. The water saving techniques which needs to be used are duo flush toilets, 3-chamber compositing toilets, as well as use of high energy efficient appliances. Some more aspects which need to be kept in mind are using non-conventional sources of energy such as solar cells, reduction of toxic emission from building by using low VOC paints and using double glazed glass, construction of rooftop garden or rain garden, and also rainwater harvesting. The major aim and objective is concluded as this is a video which attempts at spreading awareness among students about advantages of green building for sustainable development and management. The following are some of the reference sites which have been used while construction of this video. Thank you.